Hey guys, and welcome back. For every look I apply natural shadows for the base. With a dark red eyeshadow, I'm doing a line as close as possible to my lash line. I'm going over that line with a brown pencil liner, as close as possible to my lash line. With the same red shadow, I line my lower lash line. For the front part, I'm using a brown shade. Try to make the line as straight as possible. Then I apply some more pink eyeshadow on the outer third and a little sparkle as well. Blend everything well. More pink eyeshadow on the eyelid. Then I curl my lashes. And I apply some mascara. Focus on the top lashes. For the puppy look, we intensify the outer corners and crease with a brown eyeshadow. Make a wing, but make it downwards. Follow your natural eye shape and elongate the line. With the same brown shadow, we bring a little more color to the lower lash line. Also, a little more sparkle won't hurt. As for the last step, I curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I focus on the lashes in the middle. We apply a little more eyeshadow for this look. I blend the shadow upwards to complement the eyeliner later. I put the same shadow on the lower lash line and connect it. With a brown gel pen liner, I darken up the lower lash line. With the same liner, I draw the front of my eyes pointy. Then I do a typical wing and highlight the inner corners. I focus on the outer lashes in this look. For this look, we continue the cat look. We darken up the lower lash line, elongate the wing. Make the front even more pointy with the same black eyeliner. Connect the line with the eyeshadow.